我们跟山关系也很好的，山养育了我们几代人。
Dulong Township is located in Galugong Mountain National Nature Reserve. The local Dulong ethnic group has leaped forward greatly from a very backward primitive stage into the modern society within less than 80 years since 1949. Li Yuhua is the first female forest ranger among the Dulong people. Living by the mountains, they well understand the power of nature. In the past, women were not allowed to go into the mountains. Li's mother had never been into the mountains when she was young. Dulong women used to tattoo their faces in old times. Li's mother is the youngest one with facial tattoos. Their tattoos imply mountains, trees, flowers, streams, winds, and butterflies, as if carrying the spirits of the mountains. The Dulong River Basin has a whopping 93% forest coverage. Yet there are still places unexplored by humans in the primitive forest. Patrol, fire control, observing and recording wildlife in the forest, for the local rangers, these are far beyond their daily work, like new rituals of living with the mountains. To prevent getting lost or being attacked by wild animals, the rangers always go into the mountains in troops, which is a tradition of the community. On their way of patrolling, the gayal is a common sight. People would carry salt and buckwheat with them as gifts for the gayals. In the treacherous terrain with dense jungles, dangerous animals hide in every corner. The patrol is never easy for a woman, but Li is willing to take on the challenge.
走路啊，巡山啊，就男生几个要能爬多远，我也能爬多远。
At the rim of the forest, the fallen leaves are knee-high. Before the temperature plummets in winter, Li's mother collects them and pile them in the fields. The gradually decayed leaves become nature's best fertilizer for humans. The origin of the Dulong facial tattoo is yet to be determined. One explanation is that the Dulong people believe when a person dies, the soul transforms into a butterfly and returns to the forest. The butterfly patterns embody their nostalgia of the mountains and forests. Nowadays, the custom has become history, and Dulong women have access to the mountains to protect Mother Nature. The only thing that remains is the awe of nature engraved in their souls.
Phải ghi sa e qua bô la ca lê ghi bê chư ca lê la ghi bằng quăng gừa mò dâm la chân thì bơ làm